You know you're the coolest, schmoolest kid on YouTube, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. All right, cool girl. So what are we doing today?
We are going to pick out a toy.
We're gonna pick out a toy. Okay, we're gonna show everyone the step-by-step of picking out a new toy. Step 1, go to the store.
Go to the store.
Step 2, find the aisle in the store
Find the aisle.
where all the cool toys are gonna be, right?
Okay.
Step 3, pick out, find a new toy.
Buy the new toy.
Step 4, pay. And what do you have to pay? Ooh, all your saved money in your piggy
Want me to show you
bank.
how much I got?
Oh, don't show them your password. Go, put it in, put it in, put it in. Ooh, show us the good stuff. Ooh, she got some money. Oh yeah. And then,
You have this golden coin.
ooh, you have a golden coin in there. Whoa, I didn't know that one.
Now let me put it back.
So after we pay for the toy, that's one step. We get to go home and open the toy and play with the toy. So those are the 5 steps, right? Step 1, go to the store. Step 2, find the aisle where all the cool toys are gonna be. Step 3, look for the toy that we want. Step 4, pay for the toy. And
And
then...
step 5, go home and play.
Yeah, so let's go to the store. All right, guys, so here's step 1. We're in the car and we're headed to the store. Emy Girl got her seatbelt on. Safety first, right?
Safety
Yes,
is number 1.
always safety, guys.
Always safety. And now we're just gonna play a little bit of music, some of Emy's favorite songs while we're on our way, okay?
Okay.
Let's go, guys. Come join us.
Join.
Hey, we came to Walmart. Here's step
made it.
1.
Step 1.
Step 1 is make it to the store. And now let's go inside. Let's pick your toy. We're at the store. So step 1 was to go to the store. Now step 2 is find a toy aisle. Where's it? We are not in the toy aisle right now.
Maybe we should just go find it.
Yeah, let's go look for it. Unless you want to play with some pans.
No, I don't.
All right, let's walk this
I
way.
want to break it. If we break it, we buy it.
That is very true. Oh, maybe over there where those bright things are?
Yes, let's go.
Let's go check.
Woohoo.
Come on.
I think I see some toys.
Oh, I do. Oh my God.
I think I see
Oh my gosh.
Let's run.
Go, run. Oh, this was it. We found it. Okay. Step 3. What's step 3?
Find the toy.
Pick the toy. Yeah, we gotta look and find the toy we want.
Well,
All right, guys. Emy Girl kind of has a toy in mind, but we're gonna look at the other toys too.
I can't find it. Maybe we
Let's look at them. Ooh, there's some Bratz dolls.
I love it though.
Ooh, maybe a Brat dog.
That's the one I have.
Oh yeah, Emy Girl has this one already.
It's so pretty.
So pretty. They're so fashionistas.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
It's a lipstick couch. It's so silly. What else do they have in this aisle? More dolls. Ooh, a Monster High doll. That one's kind of cute too. Ner.
You hold this for me, guys.
Oh yeah. I'll hold it. I want to hold the money.
Yay. So you can hold it for me. I think you want to hold Wednesday's friend.
Oh, Wednesday's friend. That's a cute doll too. What else?
Yeah.
That is pretty. Let's go this way. Let's see what's here. Ooh, Barbie accessories. Ooh, a Dr. Barbie.
I think this looks way too expensive.
That does look way too expensive.
It's a smoothie, girl.
It's a smoothie. Oh, that one's kind of cool.
That's
Ooh,
good.
yummy.
Can I go drink some?
Yum.
Okay. Oh, this is so cute.
Oh, that's a cute horsey. Wow. She has pretty hair.
It talks.
It talks.
Oh, what the heck? I didn't even know that, and I just did it.
It neighed to you. It said neigh.
Nay. This was the one.
This was the one.
It was
Ooh.
the one.
So Emy's obsessed with this one because Emy Girl is also doing gymnastics now.
You want to see me do the cartwheel?
Yeah, go. Do it. Do the cartwheel. Hey, she's getting better. That is
This
so
a
pretty.
big one.
That is a
Like
big one. Let's go check another aisle. Okay, we know it's here. But let's see. Let's see what else they have.
I passed that one.
I know, you said it wasn't here, silly.
I was like,
Okay,
it's
these.
not here.
This was the doll aisle.
Oh, whoa, this is cool.
Ooh, that's an eye. That's kind of creepy.
This is
This
the baby idol.
is the baby aisle. Oh, 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 oh. She's making music, guys. She's focused. Oh, they move with you. That's kind of cool. Ah!
Good job. Oh my god, that was dropped.
We're still in the baby aisle. Oh, ding, ding. Emy Girl doesn't want baby toys. Come on. Let's get out the baby aisle.
Let's go.
No baby toys. What's this aisle?
Oh,
Ooh.
this is
A
cute.
cell phone?
Now there's a baby aisle.
Oh, this is also the baby aisle. Let's get out the baby aisles. Wah.
Get out the baby
No
aisle.
baby
No,
aisle.
I'm not gonna see it.
Let's go to this one. So we already were here. This was the dolls. Oh, we didn't go here.
This is so cute.
Oh, LOL dolls. LOL, LOL.
Oh, this is so cute. Everything's so cute here.
Everything is so cute. Oh, look, Wicked. You like Wicked?
Look it.
Wicked. Who's that?
Alphabet Glinda.
Glinda.
And Glenda and Alphabet.
What's her name?
The green girl?
Yeah.
Glinda. I mean, her name is Glinda.
What's the green ones?
Alphabet.
Alphabet. I thought you were saying alphabet. It's like, what? That's not her real name. Oh, it's a piggy. Oink, oink. Oh, pop it. Pop it, pop it. Let's see what else is here. Oh, this is all Legos. But you don't want Legos, right?
No. There's too complicated.
They are a little complicated.
Whoa.
Oh, these are all like little cars.
Bike.
But you have a bike.
This is my bike.
It looks like your bike. It's not the same one though.
Yeah.
All right, we looked at so many toys already. I mean, played with a lot of them too, but ultimately,
That one.
it's this one, the gymnast, because Emmy's a gymnast.
Every time. Don't judge me.
Woo, girl, we're so happy. This one's so cute. Emmy's a gymnast.
I have this. Is so cute.
Do you have a little baby? All right, take your little gymnast, girl. What are you gonna name her?
I'm gonna name her. I'm gonna name her Gymnast.
Gymnast? That's not a real name.
Okay, so want me name her Silly.
Silly, you're the silly one. Come on, let's go this way.
Silly. Okay, you
Silly,
name
silly.
her.
All right, let me think of a good name. What about? I don't know. This is hard. Let's say her name could be. What about Olivia?
Olivia, that's my friend.
I know, so silly. That's your gymnastics friend.
Yeah.
I don't know, but we could think of a name and we'll let them know because we still have time. Because we have to go to our next step. So we did step 1, we got here. Step 2, we came over here and we found the aisle. Step 3,
We bought the toy.
we picked
and
the
now-
toy. We still have time to figure out the name. We don't have to pick it right now, but we did the first 3 steps already, which was to get here,
To get here,
to find the aisle,
find the aisle.
to pick the toy. We picked the toy. Right now we have to do step 4, which is to pay. We gotta pay. Let's go pay. Come on.
Let's go pay.
We got her piggy bank, so we have the money.
Olive.
Olive, that's a good name. I like Olive. There we go.
Olive. Let's do Olive.
Olive, there we go. Now let's go pay. Let's go get this girl.
That's the same one I got.
Yeah. Let's go get this girl so we can open it up.
This is gonna be so fun.
It is gonna be fun. I'm so excited for you. Let's go pay for her.
Let's go pay. Yay.
All right, so we're on step 4. It's time to pay. Emy Girl, you could scan it. Scan it.
Now let me get this here. Now.
Scan it. Where's the barcode? I think at the bottom.
Oh,
Yeah. So scan it. There we go. Let me see. I'll put it here. And now we have to pay. So hit pay. And you gotta get your money out. Get your money. Oh, can't see the password, guys. There you go. You get your money, and we need $37.
Okay. 1.
Oh, well, this is 20.
Oh.
Okay, let's get this money, and then I'll pay whatever is left, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's put it. Let's take this money, and then we could put it in.
Yeah, let's get it. Okay. Now where are we gonna put it?
All right, so let's put the bills in. You could put them here. Do it one by one.
Okay. 1.
That's $1, yes, 1. That's 20. Oh, it didn't take it.
Ah.
There you go.
2.
2.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Take it.
Find it. Okay, let's put it in. And now number 3.
There you go.
Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. So I have 6 money.
6 monies. All right, all that's left is $13, so I'll pay that. And then we get your toy. We have our toy now.
Now
Yay.
it's time to go play.
Yes, step number 5. Let's go play. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, now we're home and we could play. So this is Olive. We got her out the box. I think we're gonna keep this just so it looks like she's there, right? It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
So show me what it comes with.
It comes with this balance piece.
Ooh, she's got to keep her balance while she does flips. And a handstand. Oh, that's so cool. Show me what else.
Okay, now
She has the balance
now
beam.
what I'm gonna do is balance. Let me hold the sticks. And
Okay.
let me hold it. Wait. It's kind of hard to like.
Those are like batons almost.
Yeah. Hold it.
Hey, that's cool. What else you have here? Show me.
We have a little hula hoop. You want me to use the pink one or the pink one or the blue one?
I like the pink one.
Okay, let's use it. Okay, let me get the hula hoop.
Hula
and
hoop,
We're
hula
gonna
hoop.
put it right here and see. We're gonna do a flip and see if we can if we land in it. 1,
1, 2, 3. Whoa, and she made it. Woo! Good job. What else you have?
We have some water to drink.
Oh, you do need water. Where's your water? Mmm.
Good.
What else you have? I see bananas.
Banana. This is good. Let me eat.
Bananas are good. They give you energy and they help you so you don't cramp up.
You can hold it, and I can hold it.
Yummy bananas.
Let's hold it.
Okay,
Yeah.
what else do you have here?
And we have some clothes.
Oh, she could change her clothes. I like that.
Do you want to see me try
That's
on
a pretty shirt.
You want to see me try?
Oh, and you have
Try on?
shoes.
Yeah.
Wait, what was this?
It's a holder.
Oh, that's smart. That's smart. Ooh, and she has a gold medal.
A medal.
A Barbie gold medal.
I got the medal from doing the good challenge.
And because you and Emy Girl did so good following the rules to get a new toy, you guys get a trophy.
Ah,
Yay! You guys did so good today.
Okay.
So let's go through the 5 steps. And then before we continue playing, let's go through the 5 steps, okay? So our 5 steps to get a new toy was step 1, go to the store.
Go to the store.
Step 2, find the aisle where all the toys are.
Yes, that was all of
There were so many toys, and I think you might have picked the coolest one.
Yes.
Step 3.
This is the coolest way.
It is. Step 3 was to look for that toy. So step 3 was to look for our toys. Step 4 was to pay. We used your piggy bank or whatever you have, right? And then step 5 is come home and enjoy it. Play with the toy.
Yay!
Yay! Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let's do it.
Anyway, guys, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Hopefully you guys get some new cool toys. And stay tuned for more how-tos. This was fun. Bye, guys.
This was so fun. Bye.
See ya.
See